Welcome to the Basic Maths series. Let us solve some top 10 questions on the ratio. First one, expressed in the simplest form, 20 ratio 35. See, ratio is nothing but division. We have to cancel this. 5 4s are 25, 5 7s are 35. 4 ratio 7 is the answer, that is in the simplest form. Again, I cannot divide this, therefore I call it as simplest form. 95 divide ratio 57. We had to divide this. 19 3s are 57, 19 5s are 55, 19 5s are 95. 5 ratio 3. 2.1 that can be written as 21 by 10 ratio 12 by 10. 10 10 I can cancel here. 21 ratio 12. 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12. Let us take one more question. 6a ratio 9b. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 2a ratio 3b. 2a ratio 3b. Here we take the next question. 8ab square 8 into a into b into b ratio 6 into a into a into b. I'll cancel a here, b here. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. What remained now? 4b ratio 3a. 4b ratio 3a. Let us take one more question. 1 by 8 ratio 1 by 12. I said ratio is nothing but division. We know that division can be written as multiplication by taking the reciprocal of 1 by 12, that is 12 by 1. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. The answer is 3 by 2, that is 3 ratio 2 is the answer. 3 ratio 2 is the answer. Let's solve one more question now. 1 upon 9 divided by 1 upon 6. Division can be written as multiplication 1 by 9 into 6 by 1. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, that is 2 by 3. The answer is 2 ratio 3. Let's solve one more question now. 2 by 3 ratio 5 by 6. This ratio can be written as multiplication by taking the reciprocal 6 by 5. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, that is 2 to the 4, 4 by 5. The answer is 4 ratio 5. Let's take the next question. Whenever you see three numbers in the ratio, we need to take the LCM of the denominators. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. The LCM is 24. 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24. The answer is 6 ratio 4 ratio 3. The answer is 6 ratio 4 ratio 3. Let's take the last question. 2 whole 1 by 3, that can be written as 7 by 3 ratio 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 4 ratio 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7 by 6. Now you take the LCM of 3 4 and 6. 3 4 and 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2 to the 4, 2 1s are 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. The LCM is 12 now. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. The answer is 7 4s are 28, 13 3s are 39, 7 2s are 14. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe.